Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in today's video I will be doing some ackee and saltfish in plantain cups. And for this recipe we're going to start by boiling some ripe plantain. And I'm just cutting the plantain. I'm going to slice through them, place them in hot water to boil with some salt. And I remove the skin from the plantain, and now I'm going to place it in the fridge so it can cool. While it's cooling, we're going to get the ackee and saltfish together. So I'm starting with some coconut oil, the onion and garlic. Next I have some bell peppers, some tomato, and I also went in with some parsley and scallion. And next I'm going to add just a little bit of thyme. Now we start going in with that saltfish. Now the saltfish is cooked by boiling it in water. So I usually boil it with water and I add a slice or two of lemon. And you boil it about 2 times. You taste in between to see how much salt was taken out. You don't take out all the salt. And then you drain it and flake it. Next we go in with the ackee. And lastly, some salt and black pepper. Just a little salt. Next we move on to the plantain. So we're going to start by putting some of that boiled plantain into the food processor. And then I'm going to add some flour to it as well. So I cut them up into a few smaller pieces. And next I'm going to blend them. Next I'm going to blend them and go in gradually with that flour. This is how it's looking after it went through the food processor. And now I'm going to start to shape them so we can bake them. I'm just separating them. I'm going to roll it into balls shortly. I'm using my press from my Musa, and I did go ahead and put in wax paper and I lightly floured it. Place it in the center, slightly press it down. Then use my press. Nice. To remove it, I'm going to crimp the edges and then place it on the bottom side of one of my muffin pans. So I went ahead and I crimped the edges. I'm going to place it on top of that baking pan. And this is how it looks in the end, guys. These are so cute. And you guys can just imagine the flavors, because the crust is made with sweet plantain. And then you have the savory with the ackee and saltfish. These are so good. Thank you guys again so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you guys tuned in to the next video. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.